Hey, just want to give you a quick rundown about the machine. I'm at a store right now. So it's HTS1300 we talked about. John, come around here. So the operation of the machine is simple, like normal. I'm going to go ahead and just turn the main switch on. Power. Now I'm just going to start the machine by one button starts it right here. Right. So now what we're going to do